Uninformed immigrants are at a huge disadvantage in court, in financial and legal matters, and also sometimes in life. Well, what can we do about it? I'll tell you what. We can train, teach, inspire, and empower immigrants to maximize their lives regardless of their immigration status. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. I am your immigration lawyer and host, Otis Landerholm, and this is the Empowered Immigrant Podcast.
Hello. Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Empowered Immigrant Podcast. So happy to be with you here today. And today I want to really encourage you to live life on your own terms without fear of the judgment of others. And the reason I bring that up is because, I don't want to come across like I'm bragging or anything like that, but last weekend I bought a new car. All right, last weekend I bought a new car, and I was I had such a fun experience going through that process, and I was really happy about it. And I got a car that I wanted. I got a new convertible. All right, and so this makes me smile just to think about it. And I've had this as a written goal of mine for a long time. This is not an out of the blue decision. This was this is something that I have been wanting for a long time. And we got to the point where the pandemic's ending. We needed another car anyway, because now we got our kids need to go to school. And we were a one-car family for a long time. But okay, it's like, if I'm going to choose a car, I'm going to choose a car that I want. And here's the thing about a convertible. My mind was messing with me. Like, oh no, what's my family going to think about me? What are my parents going to think about me? What are other people? Like, other people might judge me. All right. Other people might judge me. People judge others for all kinds of things. All right. And here's what I want to communicate to you. If you want something, go for it. The whole purpose of doing immigration law is to make our clients, to make you, right, free to live the life that you want. The whole purpose for many of our clients of immigrating to the United States is so that they can go for new opportunities and live the life they want. And so my challenge to you is, hey, live the life that you want to live, irrespective of the judgment of other people. If you want to drive a specific car, go drive the car you want. If you want to buy a house, buy your house. All right? If you want, yes, don't be irresponsible about it. Plan for it. You don't want to destroy your own financial safety net, right? You want to be responsible, but make a plan, make a goal, work towards it, and forget about the judgment of other people. Often people don't even go towards what they want to go towards because they're afraid, oh my gosh, if I did this, what would other people think? And I don't want that to be you. I don't want it to be you. Like, think right now, what is something that you want to do? And maybe you want it, like, heck, maybe you want to buy a motorcycle or something, you know? And, oh, but what's my mom going to say? Forget that. All right? Forget that. You know, yeah, you don't want to put yourself in an unsafe situation, but if you learn the safety of whatever, driving a motorcycle, then go, you live your life and live it without being in fear of the judgment of others. Because often that fear stops us. I mean, we have clients that have an immigration case, but they don't pursue their immigration case because, are my friends still going to accept me when I get documents? Maybe I've got my friends that I meet with every day and we talk about how we are undocumented. Maybe I won't fit into that group. if I pursue the next level of success for me. And don't limit yourself, and don't limit what you want based on a fear of the judgment of others. And that's really my purpose for being here with me today. And so thank you for being here with me. Take a moment and think about, hey, what is something that you want for your life, for yourself? It could be a material good, it could be a car, it could be a house, it could be a new job, go find the love of your life. All right, it could be any of that. And is there something or someone in your life that you're afraid of their judgment? And let's recognize that, let's set it aside, and let's go for what you want. All right, because that's really what immigration law is all about anyway. Thank you so much for being with me. I'm Otis Landerholm. This is the Empowered Immigrant Podcast. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you for listening to the Empowered Immigrant Podcast. If you like what you heard and if you want to learn more, please go to landerholmimmigration.com/podcast.